Here's how to make a Roblox shirt. So the first step is to open your browser and search for Roblox create shirt template. Then click on the first link and then you just have to scroll down until you see these two images. Now as you can see we have the shirt, torso and arms, and then we have the pants. So depending on what you want to create, you're gonna have to click on any of these links and the download should start automatically. Now after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply open our photo editor. I'm going to use Canva for this. So we just have to click, so we're gonna have to select our template shirt and then simply drag and drop it in our photo editor. So once we do that, basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open it. So you're gonna have to click on open in editor, and then from here we can start editing it. So as you can see, this is the torso part, this is the right arm and the left arm. So we just have to start adding designs. Now I already did that. So as you can see, I created this design. So what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on share. So we just have to save this as a PNG. And then after we're done, we just have to go back to Roblox and then click on create here. So once we get here, we just have to go to creations, then go to avatar items and then click on classics. From here, you just have to click on classic shirts and then click on upload assets. From here, we just have to upload our design. And then we're gonna have to simply give it a name and a description, and then we just have to click on upload. So it's going to cost us 10 Robux. So as you can see, we have it right here. So if you want, you can put this up to sale and then click on publish item. So in order to wear your item, you're gonna have to go back to roblox.com, then go to avatar, and then from here you will see your shirt. So as you can see, this is the shirt that I created. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.